Welcome back everyone. In today's session we are going to see exercise 4.4 of linear equations in two variables. You can see the question number 1. He is asking us to give the geometric representation of y is equals to 3 as an equation in one variable and in two variables. And another question, 2x plus 9, same in one variable and in two variables. So let's see how to draw the graphs of this type of equations. Till now we have learned how to draw the graph of equations which has two variables, okay, like these equations or equations of this form. You have learned how to draw the graph of this type of equations. So for this type of equations we find two solutions, we make a table, then we plot them on the graph. I hope you remember it. But to draw the graphs of these type of equations in which there is only one variable, you can see there is only one variable y is equals to 3, and here you can see there is only one variable x, 2x plus 9 is equals to 0. So how to represent this graphically in one variable and in two variables? This is the concept of today's session. So to begin with, we'll do some basic concepts about this. So the graph of x is equals to k, okay, is a straight line parallel to y-axis. So whatever equations are of this form in which we have x is equals to k can be anything, k can be 5, or x is equals to minus 3, or you say x is equals to 2. So whatever may be the value of k, so the graph of these type of equations will be parallel to y-axis. X is equals to k will be parallel to y-axis. So you can see the graph here, okay, where x is equals to minus 3 is graph we are drawing. So x is equals to minus 3 is here on negative axis. This is x is equals to minus 3. So from there I'll draw a line parallel to y-axis. So this is the graph of this line, that's all. We should not find any solutions, no need to find any solution, okay, like we used to do for this type of equations. We don't require solutions like this here when it is in one variable. So just you should see if it is of the form x is equals to something, that will be parallel to y-axis. If I say x is equals to 2, okay, if I say x is equals to 2, graph of x is equals to 2, how will you draw the graph of this? Where is 2 here? 2 is here, okay. So from there I'll draw a line parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis a line will come, that's all. This is the graph. You can extend the line if you want, okay, better you extend it because it's a line. This is the graph of x is equals to 2. What? X is equals to 2, this one. X is equals to 2. Similarly, the graph of y is equal to k. X is equals to k, it is parallel to y-axis. So y is equal to k form will be parallel to x-axis. If the graph is of, if the equation is of the form y is equals to k, then it will be parallel to x-axis, opposite there. So if the equation is, say, y is equals to minus 2, or you say y is equals to 2, y is equals to 3, whatever it may be like this. So when the equations are like this, we should not find solutions, okay. You can directly draw the graph of those equations. So how will it be the graph? It will be parallel to x-axis, okay. So you can see here y is equals to minus 2, y is equals to minus 2 is here, okay. So from there we are drawing a line parallel to x-axis. So this is the graph. This is the graph of y is equals to k. If I take another equation, y is equals to 2, so y is equals to 2 comes somewhere here on the positive y axis. Then I can draw a line, okay, exactly from there I'll draw a line parallel to x axis. So this is the way we draw the graphs. So x is equals to k is parallel to y axis, y is equals to k is parallel to x axis. So what is the equation of this line? It is y is equals to 2. This one is y is equals to 2. Okay, y is equals to 2. So keeping this concept in your mind. Now you can see one more thing. There is a figure formed here by these lines, by these 4 lines. One figure is formed here. What is this figure? You can see here. This is the figure formed. Can you see this? So is it a square or a rectangle? Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes. So this is a rectangle of length 5 units and breadth 4 units. Even this type of questions are asked in exam. These are not there in your reader. These all are extra things, okay, which are very important for your exam. So here the length of this rectangle is 5 units and breadth of this is 4 units. So area of this rectangle is L into B, that is 5 into 4, that will be 20 square units. 20 square units. Okay. Now let's see some more examples before we go to the exercise. Now you can see this is the graph of x is equals to 2. That is the reason it is parallel to, this is parallel to what? Parallel to y axis. No, you can see x is equals to 2, it is parallel to y axis, and you can see every point on this line, the x coordinate is 2. This is 2 comma 1, this is 2 comma 2, this is 2 comma 3, so on. If you come down here, 2 comma minus 1, 2 comma minus 2, 2 comma minus 3, so on, like this. Okay, so this is the graph of x is equals to 2, whatever may be the y coordinate, x will always be 2. Let's take another example. This is the graph of y is equals to 3. So I said you graphs of the equations of the form y is equal to a will be parallel to x axis. So this is y is equal to 3, it will be parallel to x axis. Okay, so you can say this is a line parallel to x axis, and all the y coordinates in these are 3. Okay, so this is the way. Now let's see the question from the exercise. To give the geometric representation of y is equal to 3 as an equation in one variable and two variables. So in one variable, simply you have to draw one line, horizontal line, like you used to do in your lower classes, and just plot y is equals to 3. You can see this is y is equal to 3 here. Okay, so y is equal to 3, we will put a point, and if you want you can put a circle there. Okay, like in lower classes you used to plot 3, you used to circle that. So this is the concept of lower classes. In one variable we plotted in this way. In two variables, like we did just now, y is equals to 3 will be parallel to x axis. So this is in one variable, just a single line, and y is equals to 3, I'll put a point, that's all. And in two variables I'll draw both the axes and will follow that process. So y is equals to 3 will be parallel to x axis. The next 2x plus 9. Now here we don't have the value of x, direct value of x, so I'll simplify it. 2x is equals to minus 9, so x will be equals to minus 9 by 2, so that will be minus 4.5. okay, so how will you plot it in one variable? Minus 4.5 comes here, you can see it comes here somewhere between 4 and 5. So you should just put a point, that is your answer. This is the graph in one variable. Then in two variables, where is minus 4.5? Because it is x is equals to, we'll see on x axis. Okay, so on x axis minus 4.5 comes here. We'll draw a line parallel to y axis, because x is equals to a form is parallel to y axis, and y is equal to a form is parallel to x axis. Okay, very simple concept if you understand it. Okay, I'll give you some extra questions based on this concept, based on the figure formed. Okay, so you have to draw the graphs which I am going to send you. Hope this concept is clear to you all. Thank you.